Welcome to Brief Bites today. In today's Brief Bites, let's take a bite on 5 top mistakes in bird photography I wish I knew about when I started. Tips for better pics, video by Simon D'Entremont. You can find the 10 minutes original video link in the description below. Let's get started with the bite.
Got feathers in your frame but not the results you want? Let's fix that. Mistake number 1. Lack of proper planning. Know your location, check the weather, and time your shoot for the best light. Apps can be your best friends here. Next up, mistake 2. Struggling to adjust camera settings quickly. Learn to tweak settings without taking your eye off the viewfinder. Customizing camera buttons can save your shot. Mistake 3. Shooting in harsh sunlight. Avoid midday sun. Instead, aim for the golden hours of sunrise and sunset. Cloudy days can be your secret weapon. Now, mistake 4. Undervaluing the background. Move around to find a pleasing backdrop. A clutter-free background makes your bird pop. Finally, mistake 5. Not shooting at eye level. Get down and dirty or climb up high. Match the bird's perspective for engaging shots. So, there you have it. Plan, adapt, and be mindful of light and backgrounds. Happy birding, photographers!
Thank you for watching. If this was useful, please subscribe and click the bell icon. And let me know in the comments below which longer videos Brief Bite you would like to watch next.